Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 4th chapter. Lines and angles. Today we will learn the exercise 4.3. In Telangana State Book page number 95 and 96. Today we will learn it only. Question number 12 to question number 16. One by one all our problems. Today we will learn it only. Are you understood of the previous class? Question number 6 to question number 11. It's over. All our problems. It's over. Are you any doubts? No doubts? Shall I start with the today class? Yeah. First, let's see the problem in our textbook. Be carefully listen better. 12th question. Draw figures for the following statement. If the two arms of one angle are respectively perpendicular to the two arms of another angle, then the two angles are either equal or supplementary. Yeah, this is the question is give. First two figures we can draw here. It is first if the two arms of one angle are respectively to perpendicular to the two arms of another angle only. First draw the two arms. Two arms of one angle. This is the one angle. And next perpendicular to, we can draw the another two arms perpendicular to another angle. We can draw here it is. Okay. These two arms are all are equal only. Is it equal?
Yes.
Tell me the answer.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, this is the these two arms. What's the arms? OA arms. This is the OA arms. And this is the OB arms. Two arms. Two arms are equal. And this is the perpendicular. This is the two arms and perpendicular to, we can draw the another two arms. Okay, this is the another two arms. What's the names? This is the P and this is the Q. And this is the R. Okay. Another two arms PQ and QR. These two arms are perpendicular to another angle. We can draw here it is only. You all are the, is it all are the angles or is it equal? Yeah, these all are the angles are equal only. OA is perpendicular to PQ. Okay. OB is perpendicular to QR. Here it is the all are the angles are equal and arms is also equal in this figure. Okay. In this figure is all are the angles are equal and all are the angles is 90 degrees only. Okay, this is also 90 degrees. All are the angles are equal and all are the arms are equal and these are angles are, two angles are supplementary also. Okay, this figure. Otherwise, we can draw the another figure also. First, we can draw the two arms. This is two arms. O, A arms. And next O, B arms. This is the two arms. Perpendicular to, we can draw the another two arms. But these two arms are not equal. Okay. This is the Q, P, Q, Q, R. These two are, these two are arms are not equal. Different arms only. And angles is also different. Okay. Angles is also different. In this, from this is the first figure 1, this is the figure 2. In figure 2, angles are different. Arms is also different. This is the quadrilateral. Is it quadrilateral? This is also first figure is also quadrilateral and this is also quadrilateral. Okay. Sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. the angles are supplementary. Okay, your first figure is this is the O is equal to Q is equal to 90 degrees. Then the angles are equal only. Here it is O plus Q is equal to 180 degrees. In this figure, the angles are supplementary. Are you understood why it is supplementary? This is a quadrilateral. Any two angles is sum of the any two angles is equal to 180 degrees. But here it is the angles are not equal only. Okay, arms is also not equal. Yeah. First, get the solution for this problem. Okay, are you understood? In these questions, what's are asked? The two arms, if the two arms of one angle is perpendicular to the two arms of another angle. Okay, then the two angles are either equal or supplementary. So, this first figure is either two angles are equal only. So, otherwise this figure, either this or this, you can practice on. Okay, this is the figure 1. This is the figure 2. Okay, in figure 1, OA is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, comma, next OB is perpendicular to RQ. OB is perpendicular to RQ. Okay, if x equal to y, x equal to y means here it is the O, not x. O equal to Q. Here it is the O, Q1. So, O is equal to Q is equal to 90 degrees. These two angles are 90 degrees. Then the angles are equal. Angles are equal or supplementary also. Okay, equal or supplementary. Okay, are you clear? In this figure 2, what's the in figure 2? Figure 2, OA is perpendicular to PQ, comma, OB is perpendicular to QR. Okay, if O plus Q is equal to 180 degrees, then the angles are supplementary. Supplementary. Okay, supplementary. Here it is, angles all are not equal only. Okay, all angles are different. Okay, here it is, all angles are equal. In figure 1, all angles are equal. Okay, are you clear? Arms is also equal, but in figure 2 is all are the arms is or not equal only. So either this or this. Anyone you can practice. This problem solution is over. Okay, this is the very simple. Only you can draw the only two figures you can draw here. It is it's over. Okay, this is the 12th problem solution. It's over. And next question, 13th question. In the given figure, if AB is perpendicular to CD, angle of APQ is equal to 50 degree and angle of PRD equal to 127 degree. Find X and Y. Look at the textbook. Be carefully, listen better neatly. This figure is given. First, what is given, what is asked in this question. I will explaining this one only. AB is parallel to CD is given. Okay. One angle is given, that is the APQ. Q angle is give, that is the 50 degrees is give. Okay. Another angle P or D is 127 degrees is give. Find the values of how to calculate these one only, X and Y value. Okay. This is the very simple problem. First I will use this problem. Yeah, this is the ones. Observe this figure, Gagan side. Here it is. These two lines are parallel only. This is the transversal. PC is the transversal. Okay. So X equal 50 degrees. Why it is equal? These two are is the alternative interior angles. So alternative interior angles are equal only. So X is equal 50 degrees. Next, another, what's property are you using here? It is, here it is also alternative interior angles are using. These two. Okay. PR is transversal to intersecting of AB and CD1. Okay. So Y plus 50 degrees. This angle is Y plus 50. Two angles are is formed in this one only. Okay. Y plus 50 degrees is equal to 127 degrees. Why it is equal? These two also is alternative interior angles. Okay. So that is also equal. So in this question, which property are you using here? It is alternative interior angles. Property are using in this question only. So first given data, how to write it in our given problem. In the given figure, if AB parallel to CD, angle of APQ equal 50 degrees and angle of PRD equal 127 degrees. To find is the value of X and Y values. So first AB is parallel. Let the solution for this problem. AB is parallel to CD. Angle of APQ is equal to 50 degrees. And next one, P or D is equal to 127 degrees. From the figure. From the figure, what is given? X equal to 50 degrees is given. Why it is equal? Since alternative interior angles. These two are is the alternative interior angles are equal only. Okay. Next, it's over. Next, Y plus 50 degrees is equal to 127 degrees. Why it is equal? These two is also alternative interior angles are equal. Okay, are you clear? Here it is, AB is parallel to CD. What's the transversal? PR is transversal. In previous one, what's the? AB is parallel to CD. What's the transversal? PQ transversal.
Yes.
Are you clear? Are you understood?
Understood.
Y is equal to 127 degrees. Constant terms. We will move on to the other side only. Here before equal plus 50 degrees. After equal it becomes to the minus 50 degrees. Y is equal to 127 minus 50 degrees. What's the subtracting of these two terms? So how much of value we will get it to? 7 minus 0 is 7.
Yep.
And here it is the 12 minus 5 is 7 only.
Okay.
So 77. So what's the angles? We got it. X is equal 50 degrees and Y is equal Y in place of 77 degrees. Got it.
Yep.
So therefore the values of X and Y is equal to, what's the angles? 50 degrees and another one is 77 degrees. This is the final answer. Got it. Okay, are you understood? 50 plus 77 degrees. This is the 127. This is equal only. Okay, is it equal? Yes, is it equal only. So our solution, is it correct or not? Y is equal 77. Is it correct only? Y it is correct. Y value substituting this one is equal to both our exterior angles, or is it equal only? So this is equal. So our solution is correct only. Are you understood? Yeah, this is the very simple problem solution. It's over. And next, move on to the next question. In the adjacent figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C and again reflected back along CD. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. Hint: perpendicular drawn to parallel lines are also parallel. This question is lengthy question, Gagan Sai. Is a very big, and next solution is very simple. Yeah, first this figure is given. In this figure, the PQ and RS is two mirrors. These two are is parallel is given. Okay. Yeah, an instant ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. This is AB. This incident ray is given. This ray is incident ray. AB strikes the mirror. This is the PQ is mirror at B. At B. This ray is reflected. Reflected moves the path. This moves the path BC path. Okay. And strikes the mirror. What's the RS mirror? This is the RS mirror. Touch it only. And next, this at point. What's the point? C point. Touch it. And then again, this ray is reflected again. Again reflected to CD only. Okay, are you clear? Prove that AB is parallel to CD. Is already given. This is the AB is parallel to CD. Why it is parallel to these two? These two are is the alternative interior angles. Okay, one int is give. What is give? Perpendicular drawn to parallel lines are also parallel. We can draw here. It is one perpendicular line at point B and C points. Okay, these two are is draw here. It is these two are is alternative interior angles. Why it is alternative interior angles? These two are is the parallel mirrors is given. So these two are AB is parallel to CD. It is proved. Very simple. This problem solution is very simple only. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, this figure is given. So first, from the figure, AB is incident ray. Okay, this is the reflector ray. This is the incident ray and this is the reflector ray, or angle, incident angle, or this is the reflected angle. Okay, angular ray. And next, yeah, this is the reflector ray. Ray or angle. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, first it is asked, can draw the perpendicular line at point B and C only. Okay, how many angles are formed here? It is at point B, two angles are formed. That names is X, Y. Otherwise 1 or 2 only. Okay, anyone only. And here it is X, Y, W, Z. Otherwise 3 or 4. Okay. Yeah, these two angles is formed here. It is two angles. Here it is X is equal to Y. Y it is equal. Yeah, from the law of reflection in physics. Means physics subject, from the law of reflection, incident ray is equal to the reflected ray. or incident angle is equal to the reflected angle. Okay, so that's why x equal to y only. And here it is also z equal w, or 3 equal 4, or 1 equal 2. Okay, anyone only. Are you clear, Gagan Sai? From the figure, from the law of reflection, incident ray is equal, ray or angle is equal to a reflected ray or angle. Okay, so what's the incident ray? Here it is angle of x is equal to angle of y. Why it is? These two are is it equal, since incident angle is equal to reflected angle. Okay, are you clear? And next, W is equal Z. Angle of W is equal to angle of Z. This is also same only. Incident angle is equal to reflected angle from the law of reflection. Okay. And next, Y is equal W. Why it is equal to Y is equal to W? Here these two are is the alternative interior angles. Or is it equal only? Okay. Do you know this on Gagan side? These two are is the parallel is give. AB is parallel to CD is give. So that's why these two are is equal only. So Y is angle of Y is equal to angle of W. Since Y it is equal, these two alternative interior angles are equal. Why it is equal? AB is parallel to CD. So that's why these two are is equal. Okay.
Okay.
So prove it. Is it proved? Yes, is it proved only. So therefore it is proved. It is proved. These two are reflector ray and incident ray. Both are is it equal. These two are is the alternative interior angles are equal. Why it is equal is the arrow marks is give. These two are is parallel is give. So that's why it is proved only. This is the answer. It's over. Are you clear? Are you understood?
Understood.
This problem solution is over. And next question. 15th question. In the figures given below, AB is parallel to CD. If EF is intersecting AB and CD at G and H respectively, find the values of X and Y. Give reasons. Yeah, in this bit is 3 figures is give. Yeah, first one by one today we will learn it all. Okay. You all are in these figures. AB is parallel to CD is give. All our figures is AB is parallel to CD is give. Each and every figure. And EF is the transversal intersecting AB and CD. Okay. At G and H is give. Okay. All figures is EF is the transversal intersecting AB and CD at point G and H is. All are 3 figures is the same. Transversal is same and intersecting point is also same only respectively. Find the values of X and Y. Give reasons. Okay. How to calculate these two only. X and values. Each and every figure you have to calculate the X and Y values. You have to calculate it only. Okay. Very simple. This problem solution is also very simple only. Yeah, first given data, how to write it in our given problem. This is given from the figures given below. AB is parallel to CD and EF is the transversal setting AB and CD at G and H is respective. To find the values of X and Y. Give reasons to find. Let the solution for this problem. First figure 1. Once observe this figure, Gagan Sai. First, yeah, these A, B and C, D is parallel is given. EF is transversal is given. Here intersecting points is G and H only. So once observe this figure, Gagan Sai, what is given? Here it is the Y is equal 3x is given. Y is it equal? Do you know this one? These two are is the alternative interior angles, or is it equal only?
Okay.
So that is the Y is equal 3x. And here it is the ones, this is the straight line only. Okay, here is two angles is formed, here it is. Yeah, Y is equal to X. These two are is the linear pairs of angles. Okay, Y plus 2x is equal to 180 degrees. These two angles are meet at point G on a straight line only. So these two are is the adjacent angle. Sum of the adjacent angle is equal to the 180 degrees. These are is called as the linear pairs of angles. Y plus 2x is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, that two properties are using in this problem only. First figure only. Figure 1. Yeah, first let the solution for this problem. First from the figure 1. Okay, are you understood? What is given? Y is equal 3x degree is given. Why it is equal? These two are is the alternative interior angles are equal. Yeah, this is the all are the figures is same only. AB is parallel to CD and next EF is transversal. Transversal is give. So y is equal 3x is equal to these two are is the alternative interior angles are equal. Next y is equal to y plus 2x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Why it is equal? These two are is the linear pairs of angles. Okay, these two angles are on the straight lines. So sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees only. So y what's the y? Y is equal to 3x degrees only. So y value are substituting this one only. Y value substitute in the above equation. This equation, okay? Y in place of 3x degrees plus 2x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So 3x degrees plus 2x degrees. What's the how much? 5x degrees equal to 180 degrees. Okay? X degrees, we want the x value. So x is equal to 180 degrees multiplication of 5 before equal, after equal it becomes to the division of 5 only. So simplify this one. Cancellation in the table of 5 table, 5 1 ja 5, here it is also 5 1 ja 5 and 3 is left only. So 30 here it is. So 5 6 ja, here it is also 5 3 ja 15 also. Okay, 5 3 ja 15. So 3 is left. 5 6 ja 30. So after simplification, how much of angle we got it? 36 degrees. Therefore, x is equal 36 degrees. Okay, are you clear? Next, y value. Therefore, y is equal 3x degrees. So 3 into x degrees. X value are substituting this one only. So 36 degrees. 36 into 3. Multiplication of these two terms. How much of value will come? 3 6 the 18. 3 3 ja 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 108 degrees. Okay. This is the y value. This is the x value. So therefore, the values of x and y is equal to, what's the angle? X angle is 36 degrees and y angle is 108 degrees. Okay. These two angles asked in this given question only. Okay. From first figure 1, these two values. You got it. Okay. Are you clear, Gagan sir? Are you understood? Yes. Here this is the x in place of 36 and here this figure, not this one only. This is the x in place of 36 and y in place of 108 degrees. This is the 108 degrees. Here it is a 3 into 36. Yeah, this is the 3 into 36. It is nothing but 108 only. This is also 108. Why it is equal? Yeah, these two are the alternative interior angles are equal only. So that's our solution is correct only. Okay, are you clear?
Yes.
And next second figure. Next second figure is once observe this Gagan side. These two are is the
same side.
Corresponding angles. Why it is corresponding angle? One is the exterior, one is the interior only. So corresponding angles are, is it equal only? These two angles are is the same side of the transversals only. Okay. So these two are is the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are, is it equal only? So next figure. What's the figure? Second figure. From the figure, all are the AB is parallel to CD and EF is transversal. So that step is same steps only. And next here it is the 4x minus 23 degrees is equal to, what's the, here this is the third figure Gagan side. Yeah, second one is this is a third figure. First I am explaining the third figure Gagan side. Okay. Why here it is already, I write it this one only. So that's why this one. This third figure. Once observe this third figure Gagan side. This is the 2 is the interior angle. So these two angles are is the same side of the transversal. Is it same? Is it same side of the transversal? Is it your interior or exterior? Interior angles only. So that's why interior angles of the same side of the transversals are supplementary. Interior angles on the same side of the transversals are supplementary. Okay, are you clear? Same side is, since here it is interior angles. So why it is equal? These two are is the interior angles. Interior angles on the same side. Is it same side or not? Same side of the transversal. Or supplement. Okay, transversals are supplementary. So 180 degrees. Here it is 4x. Here it is 3x only. So total is 7x degrees. Equal to, first variable terms we will write it one side, all are the constants, will move on to the other sides only. So 4x plus 3x, it is nothing but 7x only. So 180 degrees before equal minus 23 degrees, after equal it becomes to the plus 23 degrees. 7x degrees is equal to 180 plus 23 degrees. It is how much of sum of these two angles, how much of value get it? Gagan say 8 plus 2, it is nothing but 10 only. So 1 plus 1, 2. 203. So we want the x value. So 203 by multiplication of 7 before equal, after equal it becomes to the division of 7 only. So simplification of this one only. Cancellation in the table of 7 table. 7 1 ja 7. Here it is 7 2 ja 14. So 6 is left. 63. Here it is a 63. 7 9 ja 63 one. So 29 degrees. How much of angle we got it? X equal to 29 degrees. This is the rough calculation. Here it is. I am doing the rough calculation. Here it is. Okay. X angle we got it. Next, how to calculate the y angle from this figure. Here it is only x angle. It's over. Here don't calculate the y angle. Why? Because here it is y angle is not given only. Okay. X angle is over. This problem solution is over. X is equal 29 degrees. Okay. If we check it only, x value are substituting in these two values, we will get here these two is equal to 180 degrees or not. Check it only. After lot do yourself only. And next figure, second figure. Yeah, first second figure, Gagan side. Second figure, once observe this figure, these two are is the corresponding angles. Why it is equal? These two are angles are corresponding angles only. So it is equal. So what's the angles? 2x plus 15 degrees is equal to 3x minus 20 degrees. Why it is equal? These two are is the corresponding angles. Short form is C dot E are equal. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, first variables we will write it one side, all are the constants, will move on to the other sides only. So 3x minus 2x, here it is the 20 degrees plus 15 degrees. Okay, are you clear? 3x, this is here this side only, this side is move on to the this side, so minus 2x, and here it is plus 15 degrees, and this side is minus 20 degrees, move on to the this side only, so plus 20 degrees. So 3x minus 2x, it is nothing but x is equal to 20 degrees plus 15 degrees. How much of degrees we will get it? 35 degrees. Is it correct? Yes, is it correct only. So x is equal 35 degrees, we got it. Okay. Yeah, in this second figure is also only x value how to calculate it. So that's why this is the final answer. Okay, x is equal 35 degrees. If we check it only, x value are substituting in this figure. Okay, x angle are 35 degrees are substituting here, it is in this two angles, substitute here it is, these two are, is it equal or not? Check it only after lot or check it only. Okay, 3 problem solutions is over. Are you clear? 15th problem, very simple problem, and this is the this problem solution is over. And next we'll move on to the 16th. Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
No doubts. Next 16th. In the adjacent figure, AB is parallel to CD, T is transversals intersecting E and F respectively. If angle of 2 is to angle of 1 is equal 5:4, find the measure of each marked angles. This adjacent figure is given. In this figure is AB is parallel to CD is given. T is the transversal is given. This transversal intersecting at point E and F. Okay, ratios is given in this figure. one angle 1 is to angle 2 ratios is give. What's the ratio? 5:4. Angle 2 ratio is 5. This is the 5 and this is the 4. Ratio is given. Find the measure of each marked angles. Okay. Each angle how to calculate it only. This is the question explanation. Are you understood? What is given, what is asked? Are you understood? 16th problem.
Yes.
First understand the problem is the very important. Okay. What is given, what is identify the unknown also important. And next this one only. This figure, from this figure what's the AB is parallel to CD and T is transversal. This is give. Intersecting at point E and F is give only. Next ratios is give. If angle of 2 is to angle of 1 is equal to 5:4, then is equal, yeah, this is the straight line. AB is straight line. Okay, this is the transversal. These two are is the linear pairs. Okay, these two are is the 180 degrees only. So angle of 2 plus angle of 1 is equal, what's the 180 degrees. Why it is equal to 180 degrees? These two are is the linear pairs. So here it is ratios is give in the given problem only. So the sum of the terms of the ratio 2 angle 2 is to angle 1 is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 4, it is nothing but sum is 9 only. Okay, each angle ratio you have to calculate it only. So first angle 2 ratio. Angle 2 is the, what's the ratio parts is 5 parts. This is the 5 only and this is the 4 ratio is give in this given problem. So angle 2 is equal to 5 by sum of these total terms. How many terms? We got it 9 terms only into 180 degrees. Okay. These two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees. Simplification of this fraction. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 0 degrees. So 20 degrees into 5. 5 2 ja 10. So 100 degrees. Okay, angle 2 is equal to, therefore angle 2 is equal to, how much of angle we got it? 100 degrees only. Next, how to calculate the angle 1. So angle 1 is equal to, what's the angle 1 is 4. What's the ratio? 4 ratio by 9 total. Sum is equal to 9 only into 180 degrees. So simplification of these two only. So 9 1 ja 9 and 9 2 ja 18, 0 degrees. So 20 into 4, multiplication of these two terms. How much of value you get it? 24 ja 80 degrees. Okay, therefore angle 1 is equal to 80 degrees. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood, Gagan Sai? This one is 100 degrees and this angle is, what's the angle? 80 degrees. So total is these two angles. Sum of these two angles is it 180 degrees? Yes, is it 180 degrees? So our solution is it correct? Yes, correct only. So next other angles. I have to calculate the other angles. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Why is it equal to this one? This is the opposite, vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is also 180 degrees. Okay, are you clear? So next 3 is equal to 5. Why is it equal? These two are is the alternative interior angles are equal only. So this is also 180 degrees. Okay, are you clear? So 5 is equal to 7. Why it is equal to 7? These two are is the vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is also 180 degrees. Are you clear? Are you understood?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is angle 1 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 5, and next angle 5 is equal to angle 7. Okay, all are is it 180 degrees? Yes, is it 180 degrees? Is not 180 degrees, 80 degrees only. This all is the 80 degrees only. You already got it, 80 degrees only. Angle 1 is how much of angle we got it to? 80 degrees only. So these all are the angles are equal only. Why it is equal? These two all are the vertically opposite angles and alternative interior angles are equal. Okay, are you clear? Next, therefore angle 2 is equal to, what's the angle 2 is equal? Angle 4. Why it is equal? These two are is the vertically opposite angles are equal. So 4 is equal to 100 degrees. Okay, are you clear? Next 4 is equal to 6. Why it is equal? This is also alternative interior angles. So these two are is also equal only. Next 6 equal to 8. So why it is equal? These two are is the vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is also equal. So angle 2 is equal to angle 4 is equal to angle 6 is equal to angle 8 is equal to 100 degrees. All angles are is it equal only. Okay. These all are equal. Why it is equal? Same only. Since vertically opposite angles and alternative interior angles. These all are all. Okay, all are is it equal. Are you understood? All are angles are all are is it measured? Yes, all are is it measured on. All are the angles are, these all are angles, and these all are angles are is it equal. Okay, this problem solution is over. Are you clear? Are you understood? Yeah, this is the 12 to question number 12 to question number 16 problems and solutions. It's over.
Okay.
Yeah, today's class it's over. Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
Say thank you. Have a nice day. Like, share and subscribe. Say
Bye.